Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add musician to Instagram bio. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So to add musician on the bio, what we have to do, we have to tab on these three lines that we have on the top right side. And the first thing that we have to do is to convert our account to the professional account. So my account type is already a professional type. So to switch that, I can see the option of switching account from creator, tools and control. I would tap this and here I can change or search the account type. So since I'm already into my professional account, so I don't need to switch back to the personal account. But if you are having the personal account, what you can do, you will simply scroll down. With these options, you'll be able to see the option to convert your account to the professional account. So after converting your account to the professional account, what you can do, you can simply go back to the profile and here you can see the option of edit profile. So I'm going to tap on this and here if I just scroll down, you can see the option of category here in profile information. So I need to tap on this and from here I can simply add the musician or band and it should be displayed on the profile. So since I want to display this on the profile, so I would enable this option and then I will simply tap on check icon here. And now if I go back to the profile, you will be able to see that I have added musician to my Instagram profile. So this is how we can add musician to Instagram bio. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.